Hello everyone, this is Govind Chaudhary from Department of Geology, Mara Singh College, Saharanpur. Today in this video series, we will discuss the topic related to chromosomal abnormalities.
Here in this picture, we find wheat plant and it is scientifically known as Triticum aestivum. So let's discuss something about this wheat plant. Today, wheat is the principal crop of more than billion of people and we also consume wheat plant in our daily diet. So we find today we find more than 17,000 varieties of wheat plant. Now let's see the ancestry of wheat plant. Its progenitor Its progenitor were very low yielding grasses. When these two of their progenitor interbreed, they produces a hybrid wheat plant. And this hybrid wheat plant is better than their previous progenitor low yielding grasses. Now again, when this hybrid wheat plant again interbreed with another diploid species, it produces a triple hybrid wheat plant. This triple hybrid wheat plant is known as modern wheat plant and it is much more better than previous hybrid and it is much more better than their previous progenitor plant. This triple hybrid wheat plant is best suited for their agricultural purpose. Now, a question arises in our mind, what made this triple hybrid wheat plant superior from their ancestor? Answer is they have larger grain, they are more easily harvested, and they grow in wide range of environmental conditions. So genetically, this triple hybrid wheat plant is amalgamation of genome of three different species.